What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the show. Dylan here. This is the Rideshare Hub. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how a single Uber driver made over $245 in a single hour. This is crazy. You don't want to miss this one. So this is a secret video that we're revealing. This comes out of our Facebook group about a driver who's making a ton of freaking money, over $700 in a single day, driving for Uber, and we're gonna dive into the details. So please thumbs it up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We're trying to get to 200,000 subscribers, so I'd really appreciate it if you did. And if you have not yet already, go do yourself a favor and sign up for Play Octopus if you are an Uber or a Lyft driver. Use our link below. Use code RideshareHub. They're pretty much nationwide now, and what they do is they send you a free tablet. But not only that, they pay you up to an extra $100 a month simply by putting this on your headrest right here, and your passengers can win cash prizes, and you as a driver make money from the ads. So you make up to $100 a month. It's honestly pretty freaking genius. Thousands of drivers have already signed up. So use our link below and start making some extra money. Okay. Let's dive in. Let's show the screenshots. Let's show the receipts, shall we? Got my grande cold brew here. All right, so this comes from Julian Minaya, and he shared this trip here. He goes, I think it is enough for today. Now drive 2 hours to go home. So this is what happened. There is a catch with this all, because like I said, the title is $300 an hour. It's not clickbait. You will see here, this is not clickbait, but there is a catch. So clickbait, or no clickbait, but there's a catch. So catch bait. Where are we fishing here? All right, so look at this. Trip details. From what we can see, it's around New York. It's a little cut off with that red thing there, but it looks like the Bronx, and then you can kind of see the end of a K. So I believe that is New York. 287 in the top left, and he went literally straight down the 495. Literally looks like one exit. You earn more for this trip because your rider left a tip. Sweet. Party emoji. Uber loves to send emojis. Now, it took 3 hours and 1 minute. Only driving 109 miles. So he was going pretty dang fast to do 100 miles. Oh no, 100 miles in 3 hours. So that's what, 180 minutes? Yeah, so he's driving like 40 miles per hour average. $736.73 in 3 hours. So let's do some quick math here. Let's go to the handy dandy calculator. I feel like I'm on Blue's Clues. Handy dandy notebook. 736 divided by 3. 736 divided by 3. Is that right? 736 divided by 3. So he made $245. And 33 cents. So he's making $245 per hour, and but again, he has to drive home. So what are the comments saying? Congrats, that will certainly help the per mile rate. Uber paid $6, the rest was the tip. Someone said, don't give Uber that much credit. People love to bag on Uber. Someone says, now that's worth it. There you go. Lucky. How'd it take 3 hours to go 100 miles? Poopy traffic, or were you driving Miss Daisy? Have you ever driven across Long Island? 3 hours is great time. Somebody never been to New York. How many times it takes 2 hours to go 3 miles? So somebody actually said that this is a fake ride. I guess there's a little conspiracy here. The tip, 171 bucks tip. Somebody did really tip over $100. Someone says, damn, that's a shame. Some people just want attention. Common men don't do that, LOL. Bro, you wildin'. Unicorn, holy SH, that's the nicest trip I've ever seen. How much was the fare? 565 bucks, 171 tips. So I'll let you be the judge if you think this is a real ride, but this is how this guy made $245 in a single hour. So let me know your thoughts on this one down below. And again, sign up for Play Octopus, get your free tablet, link below, and start making up to $100 extra per month. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys, and we'll talk to you soon.